Picture this. You spend months building your YouTube channel, creating content, growing your audience, and then one day you wake up to find everything gone. Your channel deleted, your income stream vanished, years of work erased. This happens to thousands of creators every single day, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to protect yourself from this nightmare scenario. But first, let me tell you about something that's completely revolutionizing how people create YouTube content without ever showing their face. It's called Tube Magic AI. By the end of this video, you'll understand why this tool is becoming essential for anyone serious about YouTube success in 2025. The biggest mistake most creators make is thinking they're safe just because they're not doing anything obviously wrong. But YouTube's community guidelines are more complex than most people realize, and the platform is getting stricter every month. The creators who survive and thrive are the ones who understand these hidden dangers and take proactive steps to protect their channels. Let's start with the most dangerous mistakes that can get your channel terminated immediately. First up is copyright infringement, but not the obvious kind most people think about. Sure, using copyrighted music or clips without permission is risky, but the real danger lies in something called derivative content. This happens when you create content that's too similar to someone else's work, even if you don't directly copy it. For example, if you create a video that follows the exact same structure, talking points, and even similar visuals as another creator's video, YouTube's AI systems might flag this as copyright infringement. The scary part is that this can happen even with faceless content where you're using your own voiceover and original script. The second major threat is misleading content. YouTube has become incredibly aggressive about removing channels that spread misinformation, but their definition is broader than you might think. This includes making health claims without disclaimers, discussing financial topics without warnings, or presenting conspiracy theories.